President Aquino says the government will continue to focus on programs that will boost the economy and create more job opportunities for the people. The president stressed this during his inspection of 2 infrastructure projects in Samal Island, Davao del Norte. The president is currently on a 2-day provincial trip. The details on the Samal Island visit from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino wants intensification of programs to sustain economic stability to create more jobs and opportunities, especially in rural areas. The president said this during his inspection to projects under the Tourism Road Infrastructure Program, or TRIP. These are the construction of 4.7 kilometers Kamudmud section and the completion of the 6.3 kilometers Babad-Kamudmud section of Island Garden City of Samal or Igacos, circumferential road under the Department of Tourism and DPWH. The project is part of the more than 84 billion pesos tourism infrastructure program from 2011 until 2016, higher from the 13 billion pesos tourism funds allotted from previous administration. The construction and improvement of the road would access to the various beach resorts and other tourist spots such as bat caves, marine sanctuaries, and coral gardens. The road projects will also enhance the flow of people, goods, and delivery of basic social services in Region 11.
Sa Pilipino po, ang salin o ibig sabihin ng salitang convergence ay pagtatagpo. At tunay nga po pinagtatagpo ng iisang layunin ang ating DOT o Department of Tourism and Department of Public Works and Highways Convergence Program. Ang higit pang, at ito po ay ang higit pang maparangkada ang turismo sa ating bansa at makalikha ng mas marami pang trabaho para masiguro ang pag-asenso ng mas maraming Pilipino.
The President expects tourist arrival to increase by more than 50 million this year. President Aquino assures to complete the projects before his term ends in 2016.
Pakipansin na lang po niya dahil partiho rin ang trabaho ko, sales manager saka salesman. Sa dami ho nung sites na pupuntahan natin, yung butan hindi pa nakikita, malapit na ho. No. Kung mapapaginhawa natin ang biyahe ng mga bakasyonista, natural po matutuwa sila. Mas maiengganyo silang tumungo at bumalik sa ating mga destinasyon. At ang pinaka-importante pa po doon, pag nakausap lang kailang mga kababayan, pumunta kayo sa Pilipinas. Mag-iengganyo ng dagdag, di po ba? Ito, malaking ambag po ito sa paglago ng ating lokal at pambansang ekonomiya. Hindi lang po yan. Kada isang turistang dumarating sa Pilipinas, tinataya pong may nalilikhang isang trabaho para sa ating mga Pilipino. Mayroon po itong tinatawag na multiplier effect. Sa pagbakasyon ng isang turista, di po ba, tutuloy siya sa hotel, kakain sa restaurant, sasakay ng taxi, kukuha ng tour guide. Ang resulta, dagdag kita at kabuhayan para sa ating mga kababayan.
Some of Samal Island residents benefited from the program like Junicio Nuena, a construction worker and beneficiary of Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program or 4Ps. He was able to help his child at education to construction work. President Aquino said he wants truthful improvement in the lives of poor Filipino families and not just for advertisement only.
Mahigit 80% na raw po na-complete ang proyektong ito. Target makompleto sa Enero 2016, babes, para maliwanag. Okay. Enero 2016. Baka ho ibig sabihin yan, Desyembre ng 2015. Kung Desyembre, babes, o Nobyembre, hindi kami magtatampo sa iyo na hindi ka tumupad sa usapan na Enero. Okay lang sa amin mapaga to.
Meanwhile, DPWH Secretary Rogelio Singson said that they will construct quality secondary roads based on national road standards. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio, Davao del Norte.